I'm going to show you something called the highlight action. So I have a dashboard here, and when I hover over a particular subcategory, you can see it highlights the other visualization. It doesn't filter it, it highlights it. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how. So here we are in Tableau Desktop. If you want to follow along, the dataset is available. And we're going to create our first visualization. So let's bring in sales into columns, right? And then subcategory into the rows, right? Pretty basic viz, okay? Then I'm just going to drop sales into color just because, I can't help myself. It's hard to look at these things with no color. It goes against everything I believe in, all right? So now you've got a whole set of bars. Great. First one. Done. I'm going to name this sheet subcategory bars, and we're finished. Now let's create another sheet. Okay. And I'm going to do subcategory again, sales into the columns. All right. We have a standard bar. And now I want to convert this into a tree map. Okay. So here in the show me in the top right, we're going to click tree map, that one right there, or a hierarchy map. And it's going to build that for us. But I want to segment it using, ironically, segment. So I'm going to take that and drop it into color. And once I do that, essentially what I've done is, if you look at all the phones, there's phone there, there's phone there, there's phone there, right? So I've seen it multiple times, okay? We're going to call this tree map, like so, and then we're going to create a dashboard. Here we go. And I'm going to make this a little bit wider just to make it a little bit prettier. And let's bring in those two visualizations. So subcategory bars and tree map to the right. Okay. I'm just going to expand this to be entire view, just so it takes up the whole thing, like so. All right. Now, when I click on any of these bars, nothing happens. Okay. If you click on this button right here, that creates a filtering action. Right? So if I turn that on and I go, well, click on accessories, on the right side, it actually filters for that. But a lot of the times we want to see those values in context, right, around everything else, right, rather than actually filtering. So we're going to turn that off. We're instead going to go into dashboard actions. Okay. And when we come in here, actually what happens is when you press this button, it automatically creates an action in here. That's really all it's doing. It's just making it easier by just activating it and applying it to everything, right? But you can customize it a lot. I teach all of it on my website, so be sure to check that out at Jellyman Education. So we're going to click here on add action and go highlight. And this top section here is what's called your source sheets. It's where you're going to do your initial interaction. So if I'm clicking here, that's going to be my source. In this case, it's going to be subcategory bars. The target is which visualizations are going to be affected. In this case, it's going to be tree map, right? So subcategory bars and then tree map. And we want it to be on hover. So we don't want them to have to click it. We just want it that if their mouse goes over it, it's going to highlight. So we're going to go hover, and that's it. We go OK. OK. So now when I hover my mouse over this, it filters. It's another behavior that you can put on your dashboards, again, depending on what kind of user experience you want to give to your customers. Because it could be that they don't want to have to click. And it's as simple as them going, it's so annoying that I have to click. Or it's so annoying that I have to interact with a filter. Or it's so annoying that it's a drop down. All these tiny little things, there's a solution to all of them in terms of user experience. The better the user experience, the more often they're going to use the dashboard, the more questions they're going to have, the more iterations you're going to make. And that's how you build that rapport and relationship when you're a working professional analyst. All of this stuff is important outside of Tableau itself. All of this I teach on my website on how to become a working professional. So on Jellyman Education, one thing you'll notice is it's not just about a bar chart. It's not just about a pie chart. It's not about building dashboards. It's all about how do you go from knowing nothing about the industry, nothing about data analysis, learning the software, learning the tool in the context of being a working professional, all the way to teaching you how to actually apply for jobs, writing your resume, working with recruiters, building your portfolio, learning SQL, learning AI. All of that's on the website. So be sure to check it out. There's so much stuff in there. I think it's just shy of 800 videos. It's absolutely insane. So be sure to check that out. If you have other topics or videos you guys want me to cover, be sure to leave a comment. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed, and bye.